Hi everyone, I will talk about Smart Wrangler application and how to use this application. You need a SIM card. The SIM card have to be data, call and SMS together, not just data SIM card. Attention here, I try a data SIM card and doesn't work. Gianni provide some he will provide some extra information for you. He activated your GPS and he will ask you, is there any blinking in your model? If your GPS model start blinking, your process completed. Send the code written to you as an SMS from your phone to the SIM card individual GPS module. Second setup is beginning now. Gianni will start and stop the Jeep a few minutes later, and after this process your GPS module and Smart Wrangler process will be completed. You need to download Smart Wrangler app if you don't download yet. I don't touch start stop button and I don't touch the brake pedal for this process, and I don't do anything. He will start and stop. Also he can see your virtual position in Australia. He start engine now from Australia and everything is completed. Start stop right here. I don't touch anything. My engine now is working. My engine, and he stopped the machine now. Smart Wrangler application setup process now. If you use Android device, go Google Play and download Smart Wrangler application. And if you use iPhone, go App Store and download same application. After that, text Gianni and he will send your ID number and he will send your password. After that, copy your ID number, open app and accept the application request. After that, enter your ID number and password number. Now you can use your application. Now you are in the app. I will show how it works and specification of buttons. Go settings and you will see interface of settings. You can change your personal information here. You can add a new passport. I think new passport is a good idea. After that you can change your settings, what you want, how to use the application. You can change all kind. You can open all sources. You can open all maps, geo maps, Here you can open anti-rob. You can add your vehicle VIN number, engine number, and you can set your activate your biometric fingerprint entrance for also Bluetooth and other settings in here. This button for unlock your door. This app very good and very easy for using. Also you don't need key. If you touch once, it will start your engine. Second time when you touch, it will shut down your engine. This button to lock your doors. This cold button, it monitoring your vehicle. You can listen your vehicle or talk your vehicle. You have to open settings and enter your number. This is for drinking. Open the geofence maps. Accept. Now you can have to see my visual point. Tap the tracking button and after start the track your vehicle, and also you can see traffic and others. You can play your app easily, don't worry. This is the way how it works. There will be a red line. The point is me, red line, going to my vehicle. All parameters in here work. Now you can see still we are seeing position of the vehicle here. Also you can touch the navigate button. Yes, I can go to my car. Okay, and you can see Google Maps. This is me here. And if my vehicle here, I am in here, different places, 15 kilometers away my car. You can navigate on Google Maps, Y Maps, and iPhone Maps. Phone location access for geofence. You can enter a name, reduce, change the positions, maps. Then another way to see your vehicle. Okay, you can see traffic on main menu of maps in here. Okay dudes, let's go to vehicle and I will open door here, and after that I will start engine. I will lock the door. I will shut down the engine on that. One more I will show again. Same test. Lock the door and you
aracı uygulama üzerinden
now I am controlling my vehicle using with this app now. calling,
Buradan da
tracking, lock or unlock door, and starting engine, and shut down engine. Biometric interface you need when you shut down engine. If you use biometric, shut it down now. Locking door and open door and tracking your vehicle using this app. This is very good. This is very awesome app. Also, you don't need
Smart Wrangler
keyless entry. You can use just app for starting, open and driving. You can test. You can see with your personal testing. Hi everyone. We are done now and enjoy your new toy. Next project is IFTT application setup and voice command for your Jeep. Hey Google and Siri command. After that, you can control your Jeep with your voice. You can start and stop your engine. You can lock or unlock your doors. And it is a very good specification options. After this all process, you have a lot of keyless entry option. One of them Smart Wrangler application, the other voice control, and your key. You don't need to use it. When you go to the door, it automatically opens, and password entry on the windshield. So you have many options and enjoy your all device. Enjoy your Smart Wrangler keyless entry. See you later. Drive safe.